watching. Before you listen me, if you seriously watch this video, how because how you want to learn how to make a good story, so you don't skip this video because all parts of story like heart, parts of art. So all in one this video, how to make a story step by step. You learn. So if you seriously keep this video and subscribe this channel, and you remember, don't skip this video. So let's start. So my next जो step है वो है background and motivation that make them, and 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 seeds keep to track of their, and seed to keep to track seed keep to track. Step is seed keep track to track of their details. That means seed keep to track of their details is create a good story also needs a strong plot. That's mean you want to start your story fantastic, mind blowing. It's like a terrific. So your story needs a strong plot. Okay. Next step is like a fantastic and many heartbeat of the story. So let's talking about that. So develop your stories, confessed and build. That means develop your main stories and what do you say? Confess and build. So that's the main part of English. And if you would learn to how to make a good story, writing a good story, speak a good story, so that's parts all are in the importance in this your story. So नेक्स्ट स्टेप है हमारा टेंस टेंशन टेंशन एज योर कैरेक्टर्स work towards. That means tension as your word to words. So that's the meaning. And next step for is a very good point. जो हमारा next but before you tell me, you serious? Are you serious for writing a good story? If you want to make a good story, if you want make a good story step by step, how? Have an idea? You have an idea? You have any idea? So comment on this in comment in video and like video. So इससे पहले जो there's be so let's start. So हमारा जो next step है, but उससे before if you want to make a seriously story, a good story, so if you don't skip this video and you have any idea how to make a good story and what is the step by step how do I make a story, you have any idea, so just you comment. So let's start. So next step is tension as the structure help you the structure help write your defect once you have your idea. You understand? So next step is a very good point. So I capture this video when I was make my first story. So I just focus one point, and then I saw, wow, it's a beautiful points to make a story. It's very helpful. So I want to tell you. So structure is write a story, write to story defect Once you have your idea, once you have your characters, right? That means, right? So next step, but before, if you want to learn seriously how to make a story step by step, so you have any idea for how to make a story in English language, what is the step, so you come and just I see, but you doesn't have any idea, so you don't worry, because Sumit is here to guide you how to make a story, proper guidance with step by step. So let's continue my video. So structure to help you organize your story, right? That's mean, structure to help you organize your story. How to organize your story? Tell me. how how to get ready your story? How do you start your story? How do your first line's story? How do your story first line? Have an idea? Any? फटाफट से कमेंट करो. It's very good. And plot in place. You writing your story, don't worry, because Sumit is here to guide and properly you. That means, and plot in place. Next step है वो है so guys, जो हमारा next step है वो है about getting it perfect on the first story. Just focus, you're getting ideas. Just focus, just focus, you're getting and ideas. Next step, it's beautiful. So let's talk. So about getting it perfect on the first video, just focus. How? Just focus and getting to your ideas. That means you just about getting a perfect perfect on the first story. Just focus and getting your ideas. Just simple and सिंपल. ब्यूटीफुल है ना? लाइक करो फटाफट से, सब्सक्राइब करो. ठीक है, तो चलिए, हमारा लगभग जो आधा काम है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है, ऑलमोस्ट डन, हाफ. एंड उसको पूरा कंप्लीट करना है हमें. अभी इसको पूरा कंप्लीट करूँगा. हाउ टू यूज, I will complete this video how to make a story. Next जो हमारा step, let's talking about this, the tense. So what is the tense? What is the part of story? Heartbeat. What is heartbeat? I tell before I telling you when I start this video. So starting me, I telling you what is the heartbeat and how can I use this. See, so let's start. Let's talking about. So down on two step, that means two step back and evolved what you. So next part is edit and receives after you be written your first draft, but it's a small issue and a small like a mystery, like a mystery, magical. What do you want? So uh, before you edit your video, after the part, edit and receives your way written your first draft, but take some time, but take some time. Let's talking about next part, the next part.
how can I use and how can I pronounce this part and how can I use in my story. So before I telling you when I starting this video how to what is hard way of study story any stories part of okay. So let's talking about down purpose you can always receive and edit later. That's mean down on purpose you can always receive and edit later. So see the next part. Any idea? No idea? You don't worry. So let's talk about the next part. So जो हमारा next part है वो है you work look look areas where you can. That's the next part of a story.